Total amount today earned $1,252 on complete autopilot. What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Check out that gorgeous view. And happy Friday. We just got back from last couple weeks from Los Angeles and Las Vegas, getting ready to go to beautiful Mexico, and then from there heading out to Hawaii. Super excited for that. And I'm just here to motivate you, right, and inspire you. That was one of my dreams, right? When I used to, 2 years ago, when I was working 2 full-time jobs, 60 plus hours a week, that was one of my dreams, right? Being able to travel and still be making money on complete autopilot, having a business that was running for me 24/7. And that's exactly what this business has allowed me to do for the past 2 years. For the past 2 years, I've been able to receive payments every single day, right? 5, 7, 10 payments every single day, 15 payments, right? It varies, but every single day I've gotten paid from this business. And the beautiful thing about having a business online is that you can do it part-time, right? You don't have to, quit your 9-to-5 job if you love what you do, but you could build this business on the side. Or there's been team members that have gone inside the team and been able to quit their 9-to-5 job, and now we're traveling the world. So that's amazing. And so I want to inspire you and let you know that if I could do it, you could do it as well. If that's your dream, that's why you're watching this video, right? Because you're interested in how you can start a legitimate business online, how you can create an extra, even $1,000 a week, $3,000 a month. The sky is the limit. It just depends how much effort and dedication you put towards your business. But making money online is real. There's so many testimonials, right, from our team members that are making real income. You can visit my website, go to www.richmindsets.com, change your life. And you might be asking, so what is this business about? This is a direct sales business opportunity that allows you to earn 100% commissions. And the beautiful thing is that you can become part of this business with a one-time investment that could potentially change your life. And so get the full details, right? Go to my website, visit my website, send me a message on Facebook if you have any questions. The link is on the bottom of this video, in the description of this video. Take action today and start changing your life, right? You don't have to wait every 2 weeks on a Friday to get paid. You can start getting paid on a daily basis, right? And change your life. Take action. I will see you at the top, baby. Perfect. So here I am in my laptop. You can see right here, it's actually 5 p.m. and today is the 6th. I'm going to go ahead and click on the 6th and click on the 6th right here, and then click submit. You can see that it's actually loading. It's red right there. We are live. So it's loading. I'm going to go ahead and just scroll over here. That's my name, Adriana Villegas. Scrolling down. So you can see right here, total amount today earned $1,252 on complete autopilot, right? Change your life today. Go to www.richmindsets.com. And the day isn't even over yet, right? It's only 5:17 p.m. You can still get access to this. And this is my Facebook account here. So if you want to reach out to me, just visit facebook.com/AdriceMelody. You can see here I have over 44,000 followers. I've been teaching thousands of people how to create their first income online. And this is my page here, so you want to definitely take a look at that. And I just love to inspire people, right? Just motivate them. Sometimes I post things that are funny, but just for motivation purposes. And that's me here, just another $1,000 day, just, the other day. And, it's awesome. This is me when we just went to Vegas on the weekend. We went to Vegas and I was able to make over $3,000 while I was over there. And that's what, a business like this allows you to do. Gives you the ability to pretty much, the sky is the limit. That's another proof video. This is me just, having an amazing time in Las Vegas. That's me again, enjoying a nice drink. That's me, doing a little bit of work at the airport. And that's kind of funny. But yeah, guys, I'm just excited. I'm just pumped. This is me. I went to LA also a couple of weeks ago, and she's actually one of my team members. She's a phenomenal entrepreneur. I got to meet her a couple times already. Every time I go to LA, I get to say hi to her. Phenomenal person. So it's crazy how you can even like build long-lasting relationships, you know, with businesses like these. That's me here just working at Starbucks, right? You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi connection. Anyways, take action today. Send me a message on Facebook after you get started at www.richmindsets.com. And other than that, I will see you at the top.